Calling a function with loop many times. Hi! In the previous video, we saw how to call a function many times and we called the function my_study 3 times. Here, in this video, we are going to see 2 more examples. Let us take our next function and call it many times. So, what function shall we take? Let us go to Python and take the same example of a function with a for loop we wrote in our previous videos. Do you remember this example? Let us call this to_table function. So we write to_table open bracket close bracket. What will be printed as output? Yes, the 2 times table from 2 to 20 will be printed. Save the file and run the code. The output printed is 2 times table from 2 to 20. Now, shall we call this function a second time? How do we do it? We shall write the function name with open and close brackets again. Now, what will be printed as output? Yes, the 2 times table from 2 to 20 will be printed 2 times. Save the file and run the code. See, the 2 times table from 2 to 20 is printed 2 times. Shall we take one more function which we remember very well and call it many times? Okay. Finally, let us take the third example of this easy function add_numbers from our previous video. Now, shall we call the function to print the total? Okay, so we write add_numbers open bracket close bracket. Now, save the file and run the code. The output is printed as 11. Now, let us call the function one more time. So, we again write add_numbers open bracket close bracket. Save the file and run the code. Now we get 11 as output 2 times. Why? Because we call the function 2 times. I hope these easy examples were useful for you to understand how to call a function as many times as you like. See you all in another interesting video. Bye bye.